Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Whirlpool washer grinding noise in 2026. Now, a grinding sound is different from squeaking and thumping sound. It usually indicates hard object scraping metal or plastic, worn internal drive components. Sometimes it is due to gear or bearing stress under load. So the goal is to locate the source based on when the sound occurs. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to identify the noise timing precisely. For that, you can run a short cycle and listen to it carefully. If you have found that the noise is during wash agitation, it's likely for an object or agitator issue. If you find noise during spin, it's likely drive system or bearing issue. So timing is going to give you the dictation before opening anything. So you just have to first of all check between the drum and the tub. So shine a light inside the drum and slowly rotate it by your hands. Look for the items that could be stuck between the inner drum and the outer tub area. So it can be like coin or any bra wires or small metal pieces. So these creates harsh grinding or scraping sound. Now you can also tilt your washer slightly and check underneath. Objects can fall near the pump or the motor area. If something is touching moving parts, it creates grinding noise. Now, if you have a top load washer, you can grab the agitator or impeller and then you can try to move it. If it feels loose or worn, it may grind against its mount during operation. You can then run a spin cycle, and if grinding gets louder as speed increases, the points to drive hub, clutches or bearing wear. So you can check those as well. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.